We're in the Adept Events studio, and I'm speaking with Chris Bradley, discussing the workshop that we run, Practical Data Governance, Stewardship and Compliance. Chris, can you briefly explain the overall goal of the workshop?
Yes, I mean, the goal is manifold. Firstly, to get prepared for taking the DAMA specialist data governance CDMP exam, to learn about the need for the application of data governance to different categories of challenges, to understand the different roles that we see in data governance frameworks, and to learn best practices for managing information as an enterprise asset.
Okay. Well, it's a 2-day workshop, so there's a lot of topics that you will be covering, but can you briefly walk us through the topics that you cover?
Yes, certainly. We'll be looking at the relationship of data governance with the other data management disciplines, a maturity assessment for understanding where we are now and our targets for the future, how to put together a data governance program, best practices for data governance, the organization roles, responsibilities, and organization units that you typically see in data governance. And we'll also be looking at data handling ethics.
Okay. And what are the job titles that you typically see attending this workshop? So who is it intended for?
This is intended for people who are interested in governance, full stop. But typically the job titles include data strategists, information analysts, and business owners.
Okay, excellent. Well, thank you very much, Chris.